Eyecare Partners has a mission of enhancing vision, improving lives, and advancing eye care. So we're not looking to just provide eye care how it is today, but to advance eye care for generations and decades to come. And we are a combination of optometry and ophthalmology practices. So we are an integrated eye care model.
The Medical Executive Board is a physician-led board that brings together our doctors and our business leaders to drive key decisions as it pertains to our business practices and also our clinical practice. Our mentorship committee, this has been in our Missouri hub for approximately 15 years. Our mentorship hub is designed for doctors within their first 3 years of practice. What that does is that pairs you with a senior mentor, and you can get coaching and guidance from things like clinical compliance and care, appropriate coding. But you also have someone who's interested in your personal and your professional development.
And when I was going through the interview process with Eyecare Partners, every single person that I was interviewing with made me want to listen and speak to the next person that I wanted to interview with as well.
My name is Brian Loika. I represent a group called Eyecare Partners. We are based in St. Louis, Missouri. We have operations in 18 states, and it is a pleasure to be a sponsor for the AOA. And we want you to know that as Eyecare Partners, we stand alongside of you as an advocate. We represent 1,000 practitioners over 20 states. 300 of them are ophthalmologists, 700 of them are optometrists. We believe in an integrated form of care. We believe in a continuum of care that takes the best care of the patients that we serve. We are proud partners of optometry. We are Eyecare Partners.